Hello and welcome to the Purdue University Archives and Special Collections. This introduction to Purdue University Archives and Special Collections will cover the location of the Purdue Archives, how archives differ from libraries, who uses archives, the specialties of Purdue's archives and archivists, and how to learn more about using the Purdue Archives. We are located on the 4th floor of the Humanities, Social Science, and Education Library inside Stewart Center. Through our databases and digital collections, our resources and staff expertise are also available online from anywhere in the world. Archives and libraries differ in several important ways. Libraries typically collect printed books that can be checked out, and if something happens to a copy of a book, it can be replaced. Archives contain rare or unique materials, including letters, documents, diaries, photographs, artifacts, rare books, and much more. Researchers use archival materials in the archives reading room. Another difference between archives and libraries is that archives are not browsable. Instead of going to the shelves and pulling the items they want to see, researchers request archival materials in advance, and those materials are brought to them in the reading room by archives staff. In order to ensure the safety and long-term preservation of archival collections, we house our collections in acid-free boxes and folders in secure, temperature-controlled storage facilities. Researchers and staff work together to make sure items are handled carefully during research to ensure their long-term preservation. There are many people who use archives, including students, instructors, historians, genealogists, and anyone interested in the collections. Their careful analysis of historical materials can lead to books, articles, films, and even original artwork built on archival research. Visitors of all interests are welcome to research in the Purdue Archives. In the Purdue Archives, our collections primarily relate to the university, its history, and its people. The special strengths of our collections include the history of Purdue University, from the administration to student activities to the research of faculty members. Flight and space, especially related to the successful careers of the Purdue alumni who shaped the space program. Psychoactive substances research, which documents the therapeutic potential of psychedelic drugs. And women's history, including the impactful works of women and women's organizations at Purdue and in the local community. Our archivists are highly skilled professionals who understand the collections and the research process. You can learn more about our collections, browse digitized materials, and find more information about scheduling a visit on the Archives and Special Collections website, lib.purdue.edu/spcol. We are very excited to help researchers as they navigate our collections to conduct their research. You can contact our staff anytime using email, archives@purdue.edu. We look forward to working with you.